them in Bangladesh, I have people a lot more. What can we do, GreenMan? Tell us. One boy from Bangladesh, 2 weeks ago, I was shocked. Hey, this coal-fired power plant is going to destroy our mangrove forest. It's a very controversial project in Bangladesh because they have the world's biggest mangrove forest, Sundarbans. It's got the tigers, and they are planning to build a coal-fired power plant that has to, the supply way for all of the coal will need to go directly through the Sundarbans. They will have to do drainage of the canals there, so the impact, even according to the environmental impact assessment. The guy from Bangladesh, GreenMan, I'm ready to die. Tell me what to do. I was shocked. I was shocked. I want to save Mother Earth. She's our own Earth. She's our only mother. We have to save her. I was kind of getting a little bit worried. I told these guys, they started a group. They want me to tell them what they should do. I told them, hey guys, peaceful, calm down, take it easy, think strategically. You know, the government has already approved it, very difficult to change. Yes, you know, they already made a street protest, those guys. But what I want to say is those youngsters in Bangladesh, I was amazed how passionate they were. This is their solar systems. They even have television sets with 15 watt. Very small solar systems power the homes there. Are you aware of what consumes the most electricity at your home and in your factory? Do you have that data? Do you have that information? I will skip some of these. I just mentioned this, I'll just mention it very briefly. This is actually, in my opinion, the best green building that I've seen. And sorry, it's not in Malaysia, it's in Singapore. It's a school. And the project manager of that school says, very often, when I get mechanical engineers and architects, they want to sell me a chair with 6 legs and a car with 8 wheels. They want to make sure everything is safe, no risk. Heavy structures, extra safety, extra aircon load, this and that. He said, we don't want 6 legs, we don't want 8 wheels. We want exactly what's necessary. They had a project management team, everybody was part of the team. They did simple things like all windows are inside. No window is exposed to the sun. They don't need blinds. They don't have the sun heating up. It's a U-shaped building. All windows are inside, yes. And then they took away the concrete where the toilets are. Normally you have spent millions in Singapore to have ducts and fans. They argued Mother Earth is exchanging the air. They didn't need to use the ducts and the fans. They saved 7% of construction costs. Normally the message is green buildings cost more. This green building costs less. And they saved 600,000 Singapore dollar a year in operational costs on energy. So let me skip this. I decided that I want to do the same. I want to show in Malaysia it can be done. Especially the main problem that we have in Malaysia is we have built homes and office buildings that require aircon. Actually, what we have here at the moment is we have all the lights on, we have all the blinds down. I strongly recommend we pull up all the blinds and switch off half of the lights to save electricity here and now and adopt the 4R principle in our room. Actually, one thing I did as well is I don't want to use plastic bottles. Upstairs is a water dispenser. I filled up my glass upstairs. Okay, only the guys sitting in front have actually a glass. So I'm not going to use a plastic bottle today. With these plastic bottles, we're going to generate a huge amount of waste. This is not really in line with the 4R principle, right? So at least those of you that have a water tumbler, like the lady over here, well done, good job. This is what we should be doing. I actually forgot my water tumbler. I thought it was in this bag today, which my assistant Shamini brought along. A bag made in Malaysia. Guess what it's made from? Seatbelts. Malaysian seatbelts. This is made in Malaysia by Malaysians from Malaysian seatbelts. I thought my water tumbler was in there, but it isn't. But I'll finish off with showing you just this example here. I will create a home that's cheaper than a normal home construction that won't require any aircon. I will not need any external power, no aircon, carbon zero in operation, zero waste, zero water, zero power from the grid. It will be disconnected from the grid. I will not be needing any electricity from TNB. Everybody tells me solar is expensive. My solar is going to cost about $100. Why? Because when I avoid the energy consumption from aircon and from fridge, we are going to do an evaporative fridge, I only need a small solar. We only have a DC water pump from the shower, used from a car. We use DC fans recycled from old notebooks to increase the air circulation. The rest is insulated, lightweight. We don't need structural concrete. We just need a light steel frame. This is how it's going to look like. It's going to be natural daylight. All the water will come from the rainwater harvesting. We're going to do our own filter. We're going to check whether it's drinking water quality, but I'm pretty sure we can achieve that. We're going to use active carbon filter and the limestone filter to make it from acidic to alkaline. Can all be done. Our furniture will be from paper mache. Our floor will be from recycled pallets without nails, made by my friend Harriet the Green Carpenter. It will be a little bit like the Malay Kampung house. Technologies are there already. We can even move this one, carry this one like the Malay Kampung house. I want to show with this building, at a lower cost than normally, we can have a home that has a zero carbon footprint and zero environmental impact and costs zero money in maintenance. This can be done. So just to finish it off, what can you do? These are my top 6 tips how you can practice zero energy or energy minimization 4 hours at home for your energy. Tip number 1, switch off the aircon. Tip number 2, create airflow. Take a shower with cool water. Switch off the electrical items that are not in use. Use the natural daylight, and that's what I suggest we do after my talk is finished, because at the moment we have all the lights on. And the good news behind this is we are going to save money at the same time. Save money, save electricity, save the planet. Every kilowatt hour of electricity in Malaysia has 0.747 kilogram of carbon dioxide. You can check it in my book. I made a carbon footprint analysis of the book. It's 0.33 kilogram of carbon dioxide. It even included the time that I spent on writing the book, the fan or the aircon or the light, everything was included. We did a life cycle analysis. So this is my final question. If your granddaughter or granddaughter would ask you now or in the future whether your business and your personal action has helped or damaged the planet, what would your answer be? Sikit-sikit, lama-lama, jadi bukit, no more hangat-hangat tahi ayam.